Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the bird egg in Grow a Garden game of Roblox new bird event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the bird egg looks like, and from this egg you will have chance to have this pets. Okay, and then I'm going to show you guys how you can get this bird egg. But wait, let me place this egg in my garden. And to hatch this egg, you only need 19 minutes. Okay, as you can see right here. Oops, sorry, not 19 minutes, but 20 minutes. Okay, and then if you want to get the bird egg, you need to feed the bird with the fruit you have. And I recommend you to feed them with transcendent fruit or prismatic fruit. And the rarer the fruit you feed them, the more chance you'll have to get the bird egg. Okay, let's give the snowman sprout. Okay, and then we just need to wait for them to pick up the fruit or to eat the fruit. And every 5 minutes, guys, they will eat the fruit and then drop a reward for you. And the reward can be something from the gear shop or the bird egg. Okay guys, and that's how you can get the bird egg in Grow a Garden game of Roblox bird event update. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!